Remarketing to users who never open your emails. Hey there, folks. Let's create a remarketing campaign that you can use to reach subscribers that never open your emails. Now, the curious thing about this strategy is that it will require you to first create a customer list with the email addresses of the people who do not open your emails. To do so, you will need to export a customer file from your email marketing service. In this video, we are going to show you how to use MailChimp to export a customer file with the email addresses of people who don't open your emails. You will simply have to log into your MailChimp account. Then click on the Lists tab. Now go to your list of mailing lists and select the one where you would like to get your non-opening contacts from. Then click on the drop-down menu button corresponding to this list and click on Manage Contacts. On the following page, click on the Manage Contacts menu and then click on View Contacts. Now click on the Create a Segment tab. Select All in the Contacts Match menu. Then go to the Conditions section below. From left to right, start by selecting the Campaign Activity option from the Subscriber Data menu. Then select the Did Not Open option on the next menu, and then select All of the Last 5 Campaigns option from the Aggregate Campaigns menu. Now click on the Preview Segment button. On the following page, click on the Export Segment button, and then click on the Export as CSV button corresponding to your exported segment. Now you will simply have to decompress your new customer file and go to Facebook. Once on Facebook, go to the Ads Manager dashboard and click on the Tools menu icon. Now click on the Audiences shortcut link in the Assets section of the Tools menu to go to the Audiences page. Now click on the Create Audience drop-down menu and then click on the Custom Audience option. Now select the Customer File option. This option will allow you to use your newly created customer file to match your non-opening leads with their Facebook accounts. So click on the Add Customers from your own file or Copy and Paste Data option to get started. You will now be asked to add a customer list. You can either add a new file or copy and paste the customer data. Because you will be using the customer file that you just created on MailChimp, you will simply have to click on the Upload File button to upload that file from your computer. Once uploaded, simply click on Next. Now make sure that the email identifier is marked green. You can select other identifiers in your customer list to be added in your customer data map, but we recommend against doing so because this might alter your remarketing results. Once done here, click on Upload and Create. Wait for your file to load and click on Done. Awesome! Now you will be able to show your non-opening customers all that they have been missing out on.